Keith, I'm just thinking about that warmth this upcoming August. It was
Right.
cold out today.
And I always think of like that's like peak summer, the beach to beacon, because
Mm-hmm.
early August, it's often like really hot and humid, which is the opposite of what's going on right now. We've had a chilly January. It's dry, it's cold,
Mm-hmm.
maybe some more snow coming in here too. We'll talk about that in a second. Wind chills were the story today. The winds have settled over the last hour or two, but still the wind chills 13 below in Rangeley, 8 below in Greenville, 13 is the wind chill in Portland. So it's been cold all day. There was a lot of sunshine. That felt nice. But it doesn't really impact temperatures all that much this time of the year. And you can see some clouds starting to float in from the west. That's our next storm system down here. It's a warm front that's going to come up and kind of slide right across Massachusetts. The difficulty has been the models have been inconsistent about where exactly that precipitation shield will land for us tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, which we'll talk about in a second. First half of tonight, temperatures drop pretty quickly, so we'll be in the teens and single digits through about midnight. But watch the temperatures after midnight as the clouds come in and we start to warm up actually back into the 20s. A period of snow showers possible over down East Maine and northern Maine tomorrow morning. Quiet but cloudy through the middle of the day, perhaps into the mid-30s in some spots, so warmer than we've been recently. And then we have to deal with that storm to the south. So again, it's about how far north this precipitation shield is going to reach. This model, I think, is a reasonable in between of the two extremes, where we start perhaps as some rain showers over York County, even southern Cumberland County here tomorrow late afternoon into the early evening. And then we change over to snow, but it's a wet snow. Temperatures 33, 34 degrees at this point at 8 o'clock. And then that snow shield really never makes it past about Bar Harbor to Augusta, roughly in a line like this. And the snow stays to down East Maine, the mid-coast and southern coastal Maine through late Friday into early Saturday. Then the storm's out of here. It's cold and windy again on Saturday, which is kind of something we've gotten used to at this point. The challenge has been our two major global models that we like to look at, European model and the American GFS models, have different portrayals of the storm. And you may look at this and say, well, these look kind of similar. But the difference between this much snow and this thin little area of snow is the difference between an inch or so or 3 or 4 inches of snow. So we're trending lower than the American GFS model, but not quite as low as the Euro, with 1 to 3 inches of snow possible here for the mid-coast south especially, and then really rapidly trailing off to basically nothing Bangor and points north. Again, this is Friday night into early Saturday. It looks cold again over the weekend and windy. Sunday will be no warmer. Look at Sunday morning, Carolina. It'll be 5 to 10 degrees below zero away from the coastline. The coast will probably be hovering 0, 1, 2, something like that. Some more light snow on Sunday and into Monday. We'll get the final numbers on how cold January was obviously shortly. I'll tell you this, we're definitely not going to be in the top 25 coldest even. It's just that we haven't had many of these months the last couple of years that have been more wintry, more appropriately wintry. So.
All right. Something to keep an eye on with those flakes.
Yep.
Keith, thank you.